Well, Frank, your Pete dump truck's all finished. I'll start with the lights in the back. Here's your running lights, and then here's your brake light and your reverse light. Try that again. You have to go forward first. So there's your brake light, and there's your reverse light. Let me pull it back up a little bit. There we go. And then the front end, your roof lights, and then your four ways, and then your left turn signal, and your right turn signal, your low beams, and then your high beams. So those are all your lights. And your lift axles. Here's your front lift axle, your middle lift axle, and then your rearmost lift axle. And they're all on their own channels. And I set them to a 2-second delay so they go down slowly. And your axle lock works, which I guess there's really no way to show that on a video. What else do we have? Oh yeah, flash mode's pretty cool. Check this out. Whoop, wrong. Well, here's your dump. But that worked before, but the dump works fine, your tarp works fine. I'm spitting fluid out. I filled up the tank and overfilled it just to be sure it's completely full. And so it's spitting out a little bit here. I'll keep running it until it stops puking out through the overflow, but it's best to have it completely full. And oh yeah, let me show you the flash mode. This is pretty cool. That's pretty neat. And that's on. I put that on a momentary switch. I won't show the radio because we're going to use your radio to run it. And there's like 6 different modes. That's mode 1. That's mode 2. That's mode 3. 4. 5. And I think 6 would be the last one. That's 6. And then it's your turn off. Nope, there's 7. And that's 8. There, it's off. So there's 7 flash modes. And what else? Yeah, I like I said, I swapped the steering and the lock servo for the diff locks. So the cable's lined up nice. So now your steering works nice. And the diff locks work great. And the tarp works. Oh, and the sound system. It's a servo knot sound system. Sounds pretty nice. What else is there? I put all new axles on your lift axles because they were aluminum tubes and they were just, well, one was bent real bad, the other one was bent a little bit. So I put all brass tubes in new axles for your lift axles. And, oh yeah, your front wheels were loose, and then when I took them apart, or when I tightened them, those large super wides hit the springs. So I put a little, like a 1/16 inch washer behind the bearing on the wheels. So now they're tight and they run free. Yeah, they spin free now. And what else? 3 drop axles, diff lock, lights, flash mode, 4 ways, sound, tarp, drive, and steer. Yeah, that's all of it. So I will I'll see you at Ken's tomorrow, and we'll get to running. Thanks, Frank.